In the last video of today, we're going to look at the distributive property, reflexive, and symmetric properties. Distributive property. So I think about it like this. Let's say that your teacher's giving a test. They distribute that test through to every single student. That test goes there, 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 and so on. So they're distributing the test to everyone. With distributive property, you multiply the number outside the parentheses to all values inside the parentheses. Examples. Let's say we have 3 times 2 plus 1. So I always draw my arrows. That gives me 3 times 2 plus 3 times 1. That simplifies to 6 plus 3, which would be 9. Or if we had 5 times x plus 2. Draw your parentheses. 5 times x plus 5 times 2. You could simplify that to 5x, to squish the 5 and the x together, plus 10. If we have negative 5 times negative 2 plus 6, negative 5 goes to negative 2 and to 6. Negative 5 times negative 2, going back to my triangle, 2 negatives leave me with a positive 10. A negative times a positive leaves me with a negative 30. Then you have 10 minus 30. 30 is the biggest number, so we'll make that negative 20. So I've shown you how to distribute and simplify. Reflexive property. That's when you get the same number on both sides. So number equals number. Examples would be like 21 equals 21, or x equals x. Reflexive property is a property of equality. Symmetric property, which is also a property of equality, would be like, it's kind of like a flip. If you think about symmetry, you have the same thing on both sides. If I could draw well, you would see that. Frequently, but not always, you'll see the words if, then. Example would be like, if y plus 3 equals 8, then 8 equals y plus 3. So we flipped those two expressions. Another example would be like x equals 3, 3 equals x. Notice that time we do not have the words if then. If x equals 8, then 8 equals x. Okay, so that's all that you need to know about properties for day 1. Take the Socrative, then do some of the practice that we provided. Oh, and don't forget to study your flashcards.